Why lawn goes to seed. All plants, regardless of size, are capable of making seeds as a method of reproduction. Lawn grass goes to seed by forming wiry seed top stalks as a way to help itself spread. Grass reproduction. Grass not only propagates, or makes offspring, by spreading its roots underground to form larger clumps, but also by creating seeds that can be disseminated by water or wind. These two forms of reproduction used simultaneously help preserve the plant for future generations. Lawn maintenance. Grass that is allowed to grow beyond the species' ideal length for lawns will go to seed during the warm weather growing season. According to the Chicago Gardener Post in the Chicago Tribune, 3 inches is an ideal length to prevent flowers from growing. Prevention. Grass that is kept at an ideal height will devote significant energy to building the roots that maintain the plants rather than to seeding. The seed stalks, which leach energy from the blades, are cut off before they reach maturity. Benefits of going to seed. Immature lawns that are patchy that have been planted with non-hybrid seed types can be allowed to go to seed in order to fill in spaces without purchasing additional seed stock. Drawbacks of going to seed. Grass goes to seed at the expense of the desirable green blades that make a lawn lush. The plant devotes energy to seeding rather than to supporting the blades, so the beauty of the lawn may suffer when this occurs.